Hello, today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance lamp on your Mazda CX-5. How to reset it without device.
We are sitting in our car and we can see that here the service due is ready, and the light will show us all the day that we have to do the service. If we made the service, we can reset it without a scanner system. Okay, that's really cool what Mazda designed here. That's easy. Okay, here is the heads-up display in front of us, and here we can navigate with that. Okay, right, left, and push for apply. Now we go in and switch to applications, and then we can see full economy monitor and vehicle status monitor. We have to set or choose the vehicle status monitor, and then we have warning, guidance, and maintenance. And the service due is a maintenance job, so we have to choose maintenance. We can now see the schedule is 3 days or 4,230 kilometers. To reset that, it's really easy. We switched it in position, and then we can go here. The due will be in 3 days. The distance will do in 4,230 kilometers, and there it is, reset. Now we can reset that now. Okay, we have to perform first a maintenance job on this vehicle, and then we can make a reset. Okay, now we're going to reset, and here you can see now the time due is in 12 months again, and the distance due is in 20,000 kilometers. That's nice, isn't it? Yes, of course it is. So there it is. Now we switch off the car and looks that the information is not there anymore, and we can have fun with our car again. So switch on the device again, and you can see here catch and pedal to start engine, and no failures are detected. Awesome. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.